Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Bafana head coach Hugo Broos has commented on Thembinkosi Lorch going to the World Cup. He says, "Now, I am being honest, Lorch is playing good. But if you take Lorch to the World Cup, who doesn't go to the World Cup?" That's what Hugo Broos asked when he was being interviewed at Robert Marawa. He says, "He plays behind the strikers. Who should I take out? Tell me." So Hugo Broos said that he's asking people that they should tell him that who should he drop at that number 10 role. Remember, in Bafana, the number 10 role is being played by Themba Zwane and Relebohile Mofokeng. And sometimes Patrick Tito Maswanganyi and Sipho Mbulo, they also play when they are called to the squad. They play in that position. So Hugo Broos is asking that out of 23 to 26 players that he will take to the FIFA World Cup, who should he take out so that he can replace them with Thembinkosi Lorch? So Hugo Broos is admitting that Lorch is good, but he doesn't know that should he take him, and if he's taking him, which player is he replacing? So let me hear your thoughts in the comment section. That what's your answer to Hugo Broos? Who should he replace Thembinkosi Lorch with? And remember, Thembinkosi Lorch is a big game player. He has always delivered on big stages. And even last year at the FIFA Club World Cup was extremely good against Man City and also Juventus. So Thembinkosi Lorch knows how to deliver in those kind of stages. So do you think that might be an advantage for us if we call him to the Bafana squad? Let me hear your thoughts regarding that. And after what Hugo Broos said, do you think that he is admitting that he will not be taking Thembinkosi Lorch to the World Cup? Or do you think that he might consider when time comes for him to select the squad? What do you think Hugo Broos will do when it comes to the World Cup? Do you think he will take Thembinkosi Lorch? Remember, Thembinkosi Lorch hasn't played for Bafana for years now. So do you think that he will take him to the World Cup without any preparations? Remember, he has never played even a single World Cup qualifiers. He hasn't played in the past 2 African Cup of Nations. So do you think you'll just take him out of the blue? Or he is letting the nation that I can't take him because there's no player I'm willing to drop for Thembinkosi Lorch? Let me hear your thoughts down in the comment section. That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.